This tutorial will give you functional overview of Instant Inventory app, and it can also assist you in using this app. Inventory is at the center of the app, but there are different modules which interact with the inventory module. These are not all mandatory modules, but these are all optional modules. We have a barcode integration available with the inventory app, but it is not mandatory to use the barcode scanning. You can also use regular product number text entry instead of barcode. Similarly, there is a supplier module, customer module. Along with supplier, you can enter purchase orders. With customers, you can have sales orders. Apart from that, you have income and expense module that can assist you to enter individual income or expense transactions. Your inventory data and other data can be exported or can be imported. For all the available modules, there are reports. Variety of reports will give you ability to not just see the data on screen, but you can also export them or email them. Some of the reports are available in form of graphics. Hence, Instant Inventory app is combination of all these modules. With that, you should be able to manage your inventory, your purchase orders along with your supplier data, your sales order along with your customer data, income and expense statements along with all these modules along with extensive reporting. Also, you can export import data, take a backup of your data. Now we'll see some of the screens and the navigation. This is the home page of the application. All the modules explained so far are present in the form of single icon or multiple icons on the screen. For example, inventory is available as inventory items, inventory reports, and stock taking. Then there is a supplier, a customer. These are the entities. With supplier, you have purchase orders. With customers, you have sales orders. You can import the data and you can export the data. Expense manager comprises of income and expense recording. There are accounting reports and there are graphical reports. Settings give you way to configure your application. Subscription is meant for your monthly or yearly subscription. There are help videos which are very important for a particular module. You can request a feature for this app using feature request. You can rate us and you can share this app. Almost similar navigation is also available from the menu item. When you press the plus sign on the top horizontal bar, it is going to open you a pop-up that will allow you to add product, supplier, customer, a purchase order, sales order, an expense manager, or tax or term screen. So based on what you select, you will be able to add the data. So when you download this application and start using it, this will be your first step to start using it. That means you can start adding your inventory items. You can start adding the suppliers, customers, and subsequently you can create orders for the supplier and customers. But before that, you will have to do certain settings. In settings, you will see that you can add your email address so that you can start receiving emails for your low stock alerts. You can also use that email to configure your auto backup. You have a facility to get daily, weekly, or monthly backups. Once you select this, you can select the email frequency. The app also allows you to decide whether your quantity needs a decimal point or not. Once you decide that you want a decimal point, you can also decide how many digits you want in the quantity after the decimal points. You can have a maximum up to 5 digits. Similarly, your price can also have a decimal point if you want it or if you don't want it. Continuing with the settings, we have settings for purchase order, which is a prefix and a series. Same thing is available for sales order, a prefix and a series. The prefix will be used in all your sales order number generation. So for purchase order, if your prefix is PUR, then you will see that all your purchase orders start with PUR. Series is used as an auto increment number. So that is a beginning of your auto increment number. So if your purchase order series is 1001, then together with prefix PUR, your first purchase order will be PUR 001 and subsequently it will be PUR 002, 003 and so on. Same is applicable for the sales order. You can decide what currency symbol you want to use for all your amounts. There you can select either characters like USD or a symbol like a dollar symbol. Now we are going to look for some of the commonly used features or something that you may not be aware but are very important for using instant inventory application. On the inventory item list, you can see if you press the menu button, then the listing can be sorted alphabetically, can be sorted by quantity, by the inventory category or by the location. Also, you can sort it by the date added. Similarly, on an inventory, you can do a barcode search. There are certain symbols which are used within their common usage. For example, plus is used for adding something. Search is always shown by the lens. And this is a symbol for barcode. The app allows you to export data. On the screen, you will see, please read these instructions. It's highly recommended that you go through these instructions before starting to export your data. You can individually decide which data you want to export and select it. The selected data will be exported either to Excel or as a CSV. It will create instant inventory folder on your SD card and store the data in that folder. You can always add data to the exported files and import it back. Import data cannot be done at the same time, so every time you have to select one of the items and press import from Excel or import from CSV depending on what is the file that you are importing. You can select one file at a time and then you can import it from the file. In case you have an issue in importing your data, please contact us and we will help you with your import. Our contact details are shared at the end of the presentation. Also, along with the app, we provide sample files for importing. Those file formats are extremely important if you want to successfully import your items. If you have hundreds of items, inventory items, then it will be easier for you to import rather than create them using app. So this feature is extremely important. Please note that if you have images of your inventory items, then those are stored in your phone itself. In the app, we store only the path for that images. Hence, images don't get exported or imported. As long as you import your inventory with the same path, your images should not vanish. Now, few more things that you can note. The orders, whether it is purchase order or sales order, can be directly emailed if you maintain email address for your customers and suppliers. If you maintain their phone numbers, then they can be directly sent as a SMS or a text message to a customer or a supplier. All reports, all orders can be printed as well. Something very similar with customers or suppliers. You can call them directly from your inventory app without leaving the app. Similarly, you can message them or you can email them from the app, from within the app. So that helps you to reduce your switching of the applications. Inventory app comes with lots of reports. In fact, for every module, we have plenty of reports with ability to make different selections, sort them, export them, and email them. This is just a small list of reports which is available. Some reports are available as pie chart. We will be converting more and more reports as the visual reports so as to assist you with the visual representation. Many help videos are available from the Instant Inventory home screen. Clicking on help videos will take you to all those videos which will help you to use this Instant Inventory app in a better way. You can also contact us at instant.inventory@billionhands.in, or you can visit our website www.billionhands.in. Any feature request can be made by directly emailing us at this email address, or you can use feature request icon on the home screen. When you use our app, don't forget to rate us using Rate a Screen on the home page. Also, you can share the app with your friends using the share icon. In case you face difficulty, we would encourage you to contact us using feature request or our email address before rating us. For those who are interested to use multi-user and multi-platform inventory application, we have another app that you can use. It's called Inventory Pro. It is the enterprise version of the Instant Inventory app. For more details, you can contact us on inventory.pro@billionhands.in. This app is available on Play Store and also from our website. Thank you for your time.